What's up, everybody? Today I'm here with Sienna, my daughter. So she's joining us today for this core blaster. Now, it's kind of a little joke, but yeah, we're gonna be working on the core today. You can look at this maybe as a finisher if you would like at the end of your session, or to be perfectly honest, this could be your entire workout. Cool thing about this is we're gonna be using movements that not only hit the entire core, but are a bit odd. Might not have thought about or have seen these movements in relationship to strengthening the core. I'm gonna cover the 3 movements. I'm gonna show you some different progressions of those. I do suggest though that you start at the very first progression we're doing. That Siena's gonna be doing that when we actually go through this little routine that we're doing here. Our first movement that we're gonna be using is the snake down. Have you focus on your control. We're gonna be looking at the back, so this is really going to work on strengthening your back, your arms, and again, control. For the first one is where you have your knee on the ground, one leg up. You'll lower yourself to the ground and you'll pop your hips up and then come into the squat, okay? Knee back down on the ground, leg up, lower, pop the hips up, and then pop up into the squat. I don't suggest rolling down the middle. So you want to pick a side and roll down the side of your body. I call this the snake down. As you get better with this, you can then go from here, popping down gradually, going higher and higher. And so hopefully now you see what I mean, where it's a bit odd, but the thing is you're focusing not only on the rear chain there and strengthening that, you're also focused on that flexibility and control, strength in the arm. So that's our first movement. Second movement is what I just call leg through. Basically, we're gonna start off with what I call the floating tabletop. Knees are off the ground. You take both heels to the ground, pull a leg through, right back into the position, heels to the ground, leg through, okay? Always going back to this position. When you're performing this, just let your heels drop down, pull that leg right through. Some other variations of that where you can pull the leg, float it off the ground, go through, touch, through, touch, okay? Final movement that we're going to be doing, one that is just a simple mountain climber, pulling the leg in, but we can sophisticate that. Here, you can even hop and float. A couple different variations you can do. We're gonna do this, let's say 30 seconds. Give it a go, okay? You ready? Let's do it, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 30 seconds each of these movements. And we're gonna have a 5-second rest after those 30 seconds. Get right into the other one. We're gonna go for 3 rounds, okay? So I've got it set up for 9 cycles. Again, you know, if you wanna follow along with us right now, that's really cool. Siena's gonna be doing the basic version, and what I'll do is when I go through this, the reason I chose 3 rounds is that I'm gonna also show you each level. I'm gonna start off with a more advanced one, gradually work to the easier one. So, you ready? Yeah? All right, okay, so you gotta do the easy ones first, okay? All right, so you do them right there, and Daddy's gonna go over here, okay? So here we go, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that's good, baby, good. Keep going. Yep, that's good. Nice. Nice. Keep going. That's okay. Almost done, one more. All right, this time you're gonna do leg thread, okay? Nice. Bring your feet closer. There. Bring your feet closer. No, that's okay. That's good. So yeah, this is a good one. All right, next one, do you remember, is mountain climber. So you're just gonna go in one. There, that's good. Daddy's gonna jump. No, that's okay. Bring your knees up towards your chest. There you go. By the way, if you're doing this, you're having trouble with your hands, turn your fingers out to the side. That's tough. Okay, so same thing, the snake down, okay?
Okay.
Yep. So this is kind of the intermediate. I'm just going closer to the ground. And you are gonna find this really works your arms, shoulders, not just the core. All right, leg thread. Oh yeah. Ten seconds. Last one, mountain climber. Good, or you jump. Nope, that's cool. All right, last time. Good. Ooh, nice. Wow. All right, here we go. Now mountain climb, I'm gonna show variation. You do these on your elbows if you want. Or again, like Siena's doing them. You can do where you hop. Oh, these are killer. All right. All right, so, not only works your core, they're fun movements, okay? You're gonna be working your arms, shoulders, even your legs, especially on that last hop. I'm breathing heavy. It's great. So, thank you, Sienna, for playing. I'm kind of sweating, no problem for her. Whatever, you know. Make sure that you have each movement down and able to perform very well before you put them in that circuit. I need a drink of water. Thanks for watching.